Excited to be part of Computex 2026, one of the biggest event in the region and one of the biggest on last 45 years in terms of partnership, innovation, and footfall. I'm Sabir Saleem, CEO of MBUZZ. We are a company headquartered in Saudi, having operation all over the Middle East. We work on multiple verticals. So we have a distribution arm, we have a system integration arm. So we have a lot of partners who's ODM partners, OEM partners who's exhibiting in Computex. So it's a great platform for us to connect, see their innovation, see their new launches, connect with the leadership team to get into more details. So partners like Zotac, TECHx, Supermicro, ASUS, PNY, to name few. So it's an opportunity for us to get first-hand information from the manufacturer, from the source itself, which will help us to get an edge on the market. We are an NVIDIA elite partner specialized in AI factories, so which gives us a large ecosystem of projects to deploy globally. We are well trained on the NVIDIA AI Factory ecosystem. We are certified with the NVIDIA partners such as Supermicro, ASUS, NVIDIA Networking, other storage vendors like DDN, VAST, Veka, NetApp, which will help us to build AI factories to a scale. We are deploying projects for sovereign clouds, NCP, enterprise customers. So it varies, depends on the size of the or nature of the customer. We do it everything in-house, starting from the design, sourcing, deployment, managed services, and we are working on this from Saudi to UAE to Europe. Even we are working on a bigger projects in US deploying AI factories. We follow NVIDIA DSS architecture, which they introduced in last GTC, which helps control your GPU clusters, control your power, get your best tokenization, best price per token, best availability of token once deployed. So we are well trained and we are transforming this knowledge to our end customers to get the best value for their investments. Saudi is heavily investing on AI race. So Saudi has formed a company called Humane, as the world knows about it. And they are in a race of building a full ecosystem, not only compute, but a lot of use cases, lots of edge devices, whatever needed for the enterprise, government, healthcare. So Humane is divided in multiple verticals and they are moving it on a different path. We are also having some partnership with Humane on deploying those clusters. We are in advanced discussion on getting more support or more systems for them. But it's an innovative move from the leadership team of Saudi. We are expecting in next 5 years, they are deploying like probably 5 to 6 gigawatt of compute, which will serve not only Saudi, but rest of the world. So in UAE also, we are seeing a similar traction, a bigger traction with multiple entities without naming the brands, but from private use cases to enterprise use cases to neo cloud partnerships, sovereign AI use cases. We are seeing a big impact on the market. We ourselves have, as MBUZZ, we have deployed multiple clusters for all these domains, starting from a small GPU cluster to scaling to thousands of GPUs. So one of the key partners which we work are Alaria Technologies, who is specialized in sovereign AI platform. We have a very good partnership and we are going global with Alaria. When we say global, we are on a phase of deployment of a big cluster in United States, part of the investment strategy. Even if you are watching the media, you can see government has enabled AI agents on government platforms. A lot of security use cases coming on depending on AI. We are always excited to bring the latest technologies from NVIDIA to our customers. So we are bringing Vera Rubin, which is the latest innovation from NVIDIA, latest GPU from NVIDIA, which will be shipped out in probably September as the forecast we have. We are already working with a partner, Alaria Technologies in the region, to be the first to have Vera Rubin GPUs in our region. So we are excited to have all this success story along with NVIDIA, along with our partners, to be the first in our region. I would like to congratulate the Computex team for organizing such a great event. Congrats to all participants, our partners especially. Looking forward for more engagements and partnerships. Thank you.